what's up? This is Korie Genius here, a dancehall teacher here with your favorite dance school online with my 15-minute class, which is part of the series of 8 videos going from beginners to advanced. First thing, you know what to do, right? Hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that bell too, so you know when we post new videos. Would be great if you would leave a comment, and please like the videos and also share. And also, thank you so much for tagging us in your great videos. Really want to see what you're doing with your dance, of course. Also, check out our channel for more classes: hip hop, yoga, different fitness workouts, street jazz, breaking, samba, Afro-Cuban, and more. All right, man, let's do it. So again, today you'll be learning again the first 4 8 counts you did in video 1 and video 2. So I'll be doing them in 8 for you today. So the first 8 I'm gonna go through. We're gonna do it a couple times, then we're gonna rock with music and so forth. You guys ready? You should kind of already have this a little bit, so we're just gonna all review together at a pace. All right, so again, because you remember, we always start with that little 3 counts in the beginning before our 8 counts, yeah? So we're grabbing, flowing through it. We're grabbing, hold, left, right, left. Do that again, and we're gonna keep flowing. Again, so we're going hold, left, right, left. This is where our first 8 count actually starts. Yeah? Last time, we're going to continue. We are going grab, step, step. We go 1, going around, 2 and 3 and 4. One more time from the beginning. Here we go. Same thing. We're grabbing. Grab, left, right, step. 2 and here, push down. One more time, exact same thing, okay? We're grabbing through. We are going hold, left, right, here, over here, and tap, tap, down. Now just remember again, like we did before, when you grab there, bring this around. If your body go with you, around and here, lift, tap, tap, down. One more, we keep moving, yeah? Again, so we go 5, 6, 7, grab left, right, 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5. Yeah, so we're here on 5, aiming down. Again, 5, 6, 7, hold, twist here, and 2 and 3 and 4, 5. We slide forward, 6. We step out, 7. We look towards our left and point, 8. This is where we are. That is our first 8 count. Let's do it one more time. The exact same thing. Slowly. 6, 7, and we go. Grab, step, step. Here. 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're pointing. Again, exact same thing. Slowly. 6, 7. Grab. Here, here, out. 2 and here, press. We slide, we look, point. Remember that point? Holding it there, you're looking towards your left completely, yeah? One more time, and we're gonna rock that part with the music a couple of times, yeah? We got this, here we go. 5, 6, 7, hold, twist here, hold. Over here, up, tap, tap, point. We slide, we look, point. How are we feeling? Music or one more time? Let's do one more time. Yeah, one more time. There we go. Take your time. Remember, we're going at a pace today, not too slow, because we should have this in our body, so we're just reviewing it so it can just, I guess put it back in our head, but it's in our bodies already, yeah? So here we go. 5, 6, 7, hold, twist here, lift, tap, tap, press down, slide, look, point. That is our first 8 count. I think we need some music. Here we go. Ready, everybody? lyric-wise, just so you know what you're doing, he says no, nowhere is too far, if you want to say it in English. So right when we start here, this is nowhere. You can nod your head with it if you want. You have to add some flavor, some attitude. So this is nowhere, and basically too far, I'm doing a simple look, but you make it into more of a dance. So look with a groove instead of just going. You want to have that look out, yeah? Can we continue? Or do you want to rock it one more time? One more time. Here we go. Look at the music. Here we go. One more. Ready? You rock out. Look out. Here we go. Let's continue, yeah? Alright, so we just finished our first 8 count. We're going to continue just like that. We're flowing through this today. We have it in our body. We're trying to make sure it's locked in before we move on to our next 2-8 counts in the next video, yeah? Alright, so we end here, right? Point. From here, you're pointing down. Reaction from the point down. I'm just going to do that first step, the point in, just so you can get the timing. This is all beats. This is a beat, 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 yeah? We end on our first beat in our first 8 count, but I'm not going to do that so you know the beat you're getting. This is boom, boom, boom. Let that fall heavy. It's just simple gestures. Pointing, gesture, leg, yeah? We're not doing exactly that. We're a little bit different, more with a vibe to it, yeah? So the vibe is this, doom, doom, doom. Bending your knees, yeah? We're here, pointing with your left hand, using your left foot. Let your body go. We said 1. We step out. Remember this. We turn, and here, and here. Again, we're here. We said beat, beat, lies, beat, beat, beat. We point. Here, we prep, and turn, and turn. Can we do that again? Same beat. I'm always going to do that 1 beat before because it kind of makes more sense to hit the beat before. 3 beats. We go point, point, here, point down, step, push, here. Remember the hips to help you turn with that, yeah? We do end here, and here. Sorry, when do we end? Our prep. I'm just going to do the step before it again, which is the turn. And here, and prep. Remember the dance I went over in video 1 with you guys, I believe? It's called Naruto. Alright, so you're here. We pressed here. Going forward with your right foot. Hips are going around. We said, and step. Stepping back. Using your left hand. Right foot steps first. Here, here. 3 steps back. So we did stop in Naruto. We said, right, left, right, right. Ease that back with a flavor, yeah? Keeping your knees bent. Let's go back, guys. Here we go. The point. 6, 7, then we go. Point here, down, here, step, and turn, and wait. Right, left, right. Again. 5, 6, 7, then we go. Beat, beat, beat. We're here. Step and turn. You have that prep. Right, left, right. 1 more. Then music. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, then we go. Beat, beat, beat. Point, step, turn. Here, turn, wait. Right, left. 2-8 counts down. Music it is, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Come down with music, guys. We're doing both 8 counts together, yeah? Here we go. take a sec, guys. Grab some water. I need it, I know. Well, we're like 10 or so minutes in. Water, we need it. Grab your water, guys. All right, so of course, hope you're enjoying it so far. Now it's still early, but again, I hope you're enjoying it. I'm sure you guys are. I'm sure you guys are killing it, but we're gonna keep killing it until we get out of here. Yeah, let's go. Finish up that water. Let's get back into it. All right, so what we'll do now, we are continuing. We're just gonna do from the first 8 count up until where we're continuing from, and we're gonna keep flowing through. Yeah, you guys good? All right, so beginning into the next 2 8 counts. Yeah, here we go. Slowly, 6, 7, hold here, here, step, left, right, here, lift, tap, tap, press, slide forward, we look out, beat, beat, here we go, point, step, and turn, we're here, right, left, right, here we continue, yeah, you remember that dance what we call Brookway? Yeah, maybe so. We learned that in video 2, if you guys remember, yeah? So I'll show you guys 2 dances in video 2. One of them is called Brookway, but this is just a different way of doing it for the choreo. So we stop here, stepping with your left foot, right hand goes out, we go 1 and 2, continuing, cross, here, back to you, press, we hold, which is the second dance I showed you guys, which we'll go over in a second. Let's do that again, together, we end here, stepping left foot, right hand goes out, yeah? Walk like on finger them up. We go, yes sir, out, here, come back, press, here, you hold. One more time, 5, 6, 7, and we step. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, and this is where your setup is, yeah? I'm putting that weight down because we're gonna push off on our right foot, that right foot, we're going right, jump out. Maybe. And that dance was what? Nassau, which is another dance I showed you guys in video 2, yeah? And that dance was created by a dude named Overload Skankas. Nassau is the name of the move. Let's go back. We're here. Before we continue into that second part of the 8 count, these 2 8 counts, we're here. We go 1 and 2 and 3, 4, and again, 6, 7, we're here, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, and from here, jumping on the right, bringing it over, 5 and 6, and into our dance hall language, we go forward, back to you, right, bring it center, slap down. Maybe so? Oh, well, that's your 2 8 count. It doesn't seem like it, right? But literally, that's your 2 8 count. Yeah? Let's do that again. We're actually going to go from Nassau. We're not going to go back to the first 8 count there. So we're here. All right, we're jumping forward. In a second, we'll go back. So we're here, jumping forward on the right foot, your waist down, because you're going to push off on the right foot to jump. You're going 1, 2, 3, here, out to you, side, here, down. Remember that attitude with that is like boom, 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 boom. Really swing that down. Yeah, you should feel that turn in your hips. Let's go back. Here we go. Both 8 counts. 5, slow. 6, 7, and we go. Here, 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 here. Again, slower, even slower. 5, 6, 7, and we go. Here, 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 here. You wait, jump, 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 drop. Here to you, hold it, here, down. Maybe so. Again, a little faster. 5, 6, 7, we go. Here, 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 boom, and press, hold, right, jump, forward, here, heavy, drop. Just like that again, you have to get that flow. Even speed it up a little bit more, yeah? We'll do it in music in a second. Great job, everybody. Make sure you hit that subscribe notification button. We'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for grooving with me. Thank you for vibing. Hope you guys enjoyed. Later. Peace.